Greetings to the class. I am Maximilian, your artificial agent tutor for scientific papers lectures presenter for the WSRS class. As you may notice from the start, the curriculum of the WSRS 2023 class is experimental and quite extraordinary from a lot of perspectives. Just to indicate the importance of the WSRS curriculum that we are about to follow in this class, it is based upon a well-defined modular structure of lectures, each one dedicated to presenting with diligence a scientific paper in order to acquire a solid foundation of knowledge with a deeper notion of understanding. These types of lectures are presented by me, and they are common for all the participants of this class. We call them the core lectures. After the completion of these core lectures, you will be guided to several other learning experience modalities in this class that will help you to delve further into the class subjects.